Greetings friends of Travel Your Own Path. Just heading back down through Dingle, Co.Kerry right now. Just down through the streets and back down towards the Harbour area. This is the church. I just wanted to give you a look at the streets as we walk down through. Just give you a look at Dingle town. It's a really great spot for Irish music too. If you're into that kind of thing, you can get a good lot of good quality Irish music found in Dingle as well. To cross the road so I don't get killed. Yeah, so guys, definitely if you're on, if you're doing a tour of Ireland and in general, you know, around this area, you got to see Dingle. You most definitely have to stop off and take a look. It's really busy today. There's a lot of bus tours and stuff like that. So try and walk us back down towards the centre now. A lot of cool buildings as well. So yeah, we're in high season now, guys, for the basically a lot of tourists, you know, coming. So I was just telling you a while ago about the Dingle Bay Hotel, a good place to stay. So that's right here, this red one, and yeah, it's a great place to stay. Really good food, really nice beds, nice place to sleep. And they're very comfortable too. So something to look into. Some Dingle artwork as well by local artists here. It's actually quite, you know, a lot of people say, oh, it's kind of like a hippie town, like hippie town, you know. Not hippies, but there's a lot of, you know, cool kind of people down here, you know. That's kind of what I meant to say. Excuse the hippie analogy, but yeah, it's good times down here. I had a good few times. You know, a lot of nice bars and fun places to hang out. Basically, you know, very kind of an artistic vibe to the place. and yeah, you're always going to find really good music, like good Irish music, but also like a lot of fusion, like kind of jazz and you know, like African, you know, all different kinds of stuff really. So it's definitely something to keep in mind when you're down this direction. Dingle, County Kerry. Statue of Fungi the Dolphin. Yeah, so that was pretty much the main street there where I just walked you through. Dingle, County Kerry. Got a nice Harley here starting up from France. French registration. Yeah, so I'm going to walk us back down through the harbour here, and then I'm going to continue on the Slea Head Drive, guys. So again, if you like the content you see on the Travel Your Own Path YouTube channel, please like, subscribe and share, and join the community as well. We've got about 1.3k at the moment. Good interaction, good people, a friendly bunch, so that's definitely something to check out. And yeah, you can follow on Snapchat, Instagram, you can follow on Facebook, all that stuff. So, and so we've got about another four or 5 hours ahead of us for this trip. It's going to be fun. I'm looking forward to it because it's got some, like I was saying there in the last vlog as well, it's got some of the best scenery in Ireland, really, down the southwest coast. So that's going to be fun. A couple of weeks ago, walking through Alicante Harbour. Now walking through Dingle Bay Harbour. It's good fun, guys. I love it. Love the travelling, and the channel's growing. We're up around, I think it's like 80 subs or something like that, subscribers at the moment, but it's growing fast. So again, like I said, if you like the content, please subscribe. You can do that down here or at the end of the video as well. There'll be I'll point my finger at it basically. They do some sea kayaking from here, just down there. And I'll finish up just across the road here. I might try and give you a look at the Dingle Ocean World Aquarium. That's it's really nice if you like that kind of stuff. If you're into aquariums and stuff, it's a nice one to see. It's not very big, but it is nice. So that's it there across the road. That's the Dingle Ocean World Aquarium, and you can hop in there at any time as well to have a look at some cool stuff. That's it, guys, pretty much for this one. We are now heading on see that blue sign there up the top, the Wild Atlantic Way. So we're going to continue on, and we're going to head on that right now. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the content you see, and I will talk to you soon. Take it easy.